Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a house that sits on 18,000 plus square feet of land with a two-story structure consisting of lower floor, which is grilled and has a enclosed veranda, double carport, living room, kitchen, pantry, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The upper floor has a large balcony, powder room, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and kitchen. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $142,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.